If you're not digging how far the factory license plate bracket sticks out on your Polaris Slingshot,
What is this monstrosity?
then you might be interested in our sleek and sporty tucked license plate bracket by Evolution R. This bracket is constructed from aluminum and powder-coated black to blend in with the rear end body panels on your Slingshot, and comes with all new hardware. This is generally one of the first mods that Slingshot owners do to their vehicle, as it provides a quick and affordable visual enhancement to the rear end. To install, start by unplugging your license plate light, then use a T40 Torx to unscrew these 3 bolts to remove the factory license plate bracket. Next, carefully cut off this zip tie. Then use an 8mm socket to unscrew and remove your factory license plate light, and transfer it over to the new tucked license plate bracket, reusing the factory hardware. Now, use a 10mm socket to unscrew and remove your license plate from the factory bracket. And then reuse that same hardware to mount it up to your new tucked license plate bracket. Next, you can plug your license plate light back into your Slingshot and mount up the new bracket using the new hardware included in the kit by inserting the long bolt with washer in the center hole, and then the 2 smaller bolts with washers into the 2 outside holes. And then finally you can use your 4mm Allen wrench to tighten them down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. So if you'd like to take your Slingshot from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a tucked license plate bracket for your Sling. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.